Alright team, thanks for joining me today. We have some specific responsibilities that we need to assign and confirm understanding on to ensure our distribution process runs smoothly. Let's start with the roles. You'll be responsible for processing customer orders. This includes recording that the records are ready. It's crucial these are handled efficiently to avoid any delays in our warehouse. Do you feel comfortable with this setup? Exactly right. Ensuring that worker 2 gets notified in a timely manner is key. Perfect, worker 2. After you've collated the paperwork, remember you also need to pass it along to person 3, who isn't here right now, but they'll handle it from there. I'll make sure they are briefed about their part in the process. Great, worker 1. After the paperwork is out, person 3 will coordinate with the warehouse and eventually they'll notify you when more paperwork is needed. It's a cycle that requires constant communication. Alright, everyone seems clear on their task. Let's keep the communication flowing and ensure we maintain our efficiency. Thanks for your cooperation and let's make this process smooth for everyone involved.